recording.
Started.
So, hi everyone, this will be the retrospective one, which we'll be having for the sprint one planning. So, if everyone is okay, let's start with it. So, if you guys can say what went well according to all the project which we have done for the sprint one. From my side, I think it went well. We have done every task which we have thought. So, if you guys let me know what went well, I'll add the points. That would be better.
I think we can start by saying we had a great understanding of what the end goal was.
Okay, so yeah, so we can write like
Understood project goals.
yeah, good understanding of the project goals.
And we also, we have sorted out a lot of things from sprint 0 to sprint 1, updating the tasks and assigning the right Jira tickets to everyone, and
So,
updating the
so we can write like the workload was evenly distributed.
evenly distributed, and sharing the right story points.
Workload distribution was good. And what are you saying the other part?
Maybe the story points will be divided eventually, and then the things which mismatched previously in sprint 0 is rectified in sprint 1.
Yeah,
It's
so
nothing but
for
is
that we can say, so what we can say like,
Feedback was went well, right? Feedback.
yeah, can you repeat again? Teamwork was good.
Feedback.
Feedback, okay, sorry.
Yes.
Feedback went well.
Yes.
and now
distributed
I think
evenly.
for the
So
sprint 1 we are familiar with the tools what we are going to implement in the entire project,
Yeah,
and we have a basic scenario what is going to happen for the end of the
good understanding of the
I mean tools included
of
in
the
the.
tools and the setup.
and the work was distributed evenly, so no one felt overwhelmed or
Yeah,
workload was
so we have
balanced.
written, yeah, we have already like written the workload distribution. Right?
Okay.
So
I think our tools are set up, our tech stack and our dependencies were all set up. So
yeah, so yeah, good understanding of the tools and the setup is also done. Yeah,
And one
so
more thing, we changed some roles as well. It's going to be reviewed in the presentation video. You can see the roles, and we just
yeah,
changed some roles as
oh
per
yeah, as for the
feedback and
professor's
everything.
request, yeah, roles allocation and yeah, I'll write roles allocation. Anything else? I think we get
add
that
a
going. The
functional.
communication went well, right, within everyone, I guess.
Yeah, let's add a functional first version.
Yeah, the function voice version is also good. Yeah,
And the feedback went. The every feedback from the professor went well for the sprint 1 for us to discuss everything
yeah, I think I
to
have
make
written
it
that right
clear,
from Cyprus side.
and then
We
what can
We
we.
have good communication. Guys.
Yeah, so everyone, yeah, with this for this one, like better than the previous one, yeah, everyone
Good
had good
Yeah.
communication and everything went pretty well. Yeah, anything else?
We completed all the tasks within the deadline.
Yeah, so mm, user stories completed perfectly, right?
Yes.
And it's better to change good understanding. It's better to use any other word similar to that.
Which one are you asking for?
Good communication.
Good communication. Okay, what do you want me to write? Okay, you want me to write this in the improvement?
Mhm.
Yeah, okay, yeah,
Yeah.
not an issue. We can write this in the good. Yeah, okay.
Improve- yeah.
So I'll write this in the good communication, better communication, all right.
Sorting out the things by making
So which one are you
frequent.
saying in the what went well or what can be improved? Which one are you saying?
What can we improve? I think
Yeah, what can be improved?
we having a better clarity about the task we are going to
Yeah, so
play
yeah, I
as
think
per
for the
the.
story we need the better clarification
Mhm.
before giving the story points. Clarification, more clarification, all right. More clear clarification of the stories.
And we wrote some sample test cases as well. Why? Because we just developed a, demo MVP video, right? So we're going to prepare MVP video. So for that we are uh, good
Need
at.
to improve better test cases, right?
Yeah, we have better test cases and we need to improve for the upcoming.
And the inputs for upcoming sprint.
And skipping
Yeah,
code review was a mess.
I
Like
think for
it's something we need to improve.
Yeah, it's a more efficient meetings.
but more efficient meeting, but the meetings are getting too long, right?
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's what I mean. Let's be more efficient with the time that we are in the meeting, so they're not too long.
So I can say long meetings can be improved.
We didn't prioritize our task well, so some important things get delayed.
Can you repeat again?
We didn't prioritize our task well, so some important things got delayed in the
Yeah,
sprint
so
one.
prioritizing the
Who task activities.
prioritizing the task activities. Anything else anyone want to add?
Yeah, and we are.
I think our estimation time for scheduling the task.
Mm, yeah, I think for one of the tasks we got that. Guys. So I'll write improving the uh, what do you say? Improving the time estimations. Not just time estimation. I think it's like story point estimations. Sorry. Okay. Anything else in the what can be improved?
And we need to take the feedback from the persons regularly to update our product efficiently by every sprint.
Yeah, I think the feedback went well, right, for this for the sprint one.
So maybe that was to be included
We
in the.
can write more feedback needed for
I mean, for the kind of
better
application improvement and the
application.
cases to be. I mean, test cases should be satisfied for the entire
Yeah,
application.
more feedback for better application.
Improvement
Anything
in
else? For improvement in the application.
application improvement also.
I think that's good.
Yeah. So anything in the what can be improved, or do you guys want me to start action items?
Yeah, I think we can go into action items.
Yeah.
We can
Okay.
kind of
Maybe
take.
we can write one more point, like we can give clear deadlines based on our past experiences for the sprint.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Deadline estimations and
Mhm.
In action
So
items, we have to focus more on testing.
yeah, more test cases.
Yeah, more test.
You can add in the second point more and clear clarification of the stories at the start of the every sprint, making
In which one you are asking? Can you repeat
what
again?
can be improved.
Yeah, more and clear
Yeah,
clarification
you
of the
can
story.
mention it as a start of the every sprint.
At the
Like we can avoid the confusion
yeah,
later.
start of the sprint. Yeah. So anything else for I think more test cases, I think shorter meetings.
Yeah. And better planning.
Yeah, the plan.
And we work on better task prioritizing using tools and
Those will be
documents.
improved. Like action will be the new things which we want to start. We've already written the where is it? Yeah. Task activities, story point destinations in the improvement. So in the action items we can start with more test cases, short meetings, better planning. I think we can write by like we can improve the application.
Efficiency by taking reviews from the customers.
Feedback was we thought of it right in the improvements in the for the more feedbacks.
Mhm.
I think that is it for the action items.
Actually, as per my scenario, feedback is taken from product owner is that application is satisfying for his requirements,
Re-
and the action item
Feedback
feedback is regarding taking from the customers. Are they satisfied with the application?
from the users, right?
I mean, yeah, maybe the user is going to satisfy for the thing what we prepare.
Yeah,
I mean, are
Yeah,
they
it,
good
like feedback and discussions from the
user? I mean, who is
user to continuous
yeah,
improvement in
yeah,
the
is he connecting
project.
to
feedback
the
from
person who
you.
is going to help him?
Mm.
Mhm.
Is he getting the right suggestion, or is he mismatching the communication between the application, or is any
Okay, so what should I write exactly? Better
Maybe conducting risk management
mm, conducting
for earlier only
management
to avoid the obstacles in the code or testing anything.
word obstacles. I think that would be good. Anything else you guys want to add?
I think that's sufficient. I think everything like flows well in terms of what went well. Then we see the improvements, and then we see what we need to change for the next.
Yeah.
I
So
think.
I think this is it. Okay, right? I think that's it for retrospective one board, I guess.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
I'll stop the recording.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.